What is up, all of my fellow new gaming content creators here on YouTube? I am Wavy Raven. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be helping all you new gaming content creators up your views, up your subscribers in this one video. But before we get started, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It does help me out as a fellow YouTuber like you, and please be sure to hit that like button if you did learn anything new in this video. So I'm going to be basically touching everything that all these YouTube content creators who make videos like this really don't cover in a video. So when you're first starting out in YouTube, you're going to want to have a set game that you're going to play. Okay, as you guys see on my channel, it's mainly Apex. That has been my main go-to for right now, but I have played Call of Duty and kept that mainly on my channel as well. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to want to build a fan base on one of your games. Okay, if you're going to post content, make sure you focus on one game. So you're going to build a fan base like off Apex Legends or The Sims 4 or The Crew 2 or Assassin's Creed or whatever, doing walkthroughs, doing gameplays, everything like that. So basically the first step is to pick a game that you really like and that you're willing to stick with throughout your whole channel. Now you guys are probably asking me, Raven, how is this going to get me more views and more subscribers? Now, you're probably starting off at 0 to 10 subscribers. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to research. Now, one thing that I've learned from my video, as you guys will see, one video here that has only about 5 to 6 views, and then another video here that has over 700 views. You guys are probably sitting here wondering how this is happening and why my views aren't that consistent. Like, why am I not getting like 30 to 40 views a video? This is because of the title. Now, you guys are probably wondering, what does the title have to do with this? Since you're new, a title is everything, and also a thumbnail is everything as well. Be sure to verify your channel before you do this, because you won't be able to make thumbnails unless you verify your channel. The way you do that is once you click upload a video, just upload a video, a random clip or anything like that. Click the little circle and the question mark. I'll have it up on the screen here as well. Click the little circle and the question mark and it will come up with verify. You'll click that, whatever, put in a cell phone number, whatever, and it'll verify you to make sure you have thumbnails. But that's not what this video is about. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to look at the title of other videos. Okay, you're going to want to do a whole lot of research. Go onto the game that you're playing. Like, say you're going to play Apex Legends. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the YouTube search bar and you're going to type in Apex Legends. Or you're gonna search for a video that you want to make, like a gaming video that you want to make, like getting 10 kills in Apex Legends. Then what you're gonna want to do, okay, is look at how that person made their video. Okay, you're gonna look how they made that video. You're gonna see what they did. Was it a live commentary? Was it a voiceover? The difference between those two things is that a live commentary, they are talking while they are playing the game, and it's all live. They don't know what's happening, you don't know what's happening, and it's all a surprise to the both of you as you watch them play the game. A voiceover is something that I'm doing right here, voicing over gameplay. So first, you're gonna want to take that into consideration. Next, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to see how long that video is. And you're going to want to make your video a little bit or a lot longer, but pack in more information. That is one thing that YouTube looks for in a video. If you're going to be on this suggested page of that video, like you're going to be on the suggested bar, you're going to want to make your video longer and have more information in it. Okay, so say the video is how to get 10 kills in Apex Legends. You're going to want to take the keywords. The keywords are how to, kills, and then obviously Apex Legends. How to and everything like that are big keywords on YouTube because people are looking to get the best, like, to become the best YouTuber. To become the best, like, best would be a keyword, or how to is a keyword, okay? Or grow, alright? You're gonna want to look for the keywords in the video, in the title. And also, you're going to want to put those keywords in the description of your video. So when YouTube watches it, as they watch they watch little snippets and everything of your videos and everything like that, and they go through and they put you in a place, like put you in a spot where your video is searched. Like if you're in the suggested bar, if you're not, that's how they determine they watch your video. They're gonna want to hear those keywords, okay? The keywords are nice. You're gonna want to make sure you implement them into your channel, onto your video, and also put them in the description as well. Now, the other thing is, the description of this guy's video, you're not going to copy and paste it. Do not copy and paste it. What you're going to want to do, okay, is you're going to want to take the description of his video, pick out keywords, and make your own description on top of that. That'll get your video seen. Now, another thing is the tags. Basically, all you can do is copy and paste the tags. The tags really don't matter. You're just going to tag your game, the keywords of the game, like how to get, how to grow, or how to get 5 kills on that, or get 10 kills on that, whatever it is. That's all you can do. Now, the thumbnail. You're going to check the person's thumbnail, alright? See if he has just a regular boring Apex Legends thumbnail, or whatever game thumbnail. You're going to want to try to incorporate your face into it. Like, maybe if you can get yourself a transparent, like, picture of yourself. Boom. Put that in there. That'll work perfectly fine. Because people are going to click on thumbnails with real people in them. They're not going to look at like a animated freaking clip art of a gun or something like that. They're not gonna look at that. They want to see real, like if they see a real human face, they're going to click on that video, and you're going to be more likely to get the clicks on your video. One more thing that I learned throughout my experience on YouTube, being on YouTube for 6 years, is I don't clickbait or anything like that, but it's going around. It's how people are getting views and everything like that, but I choose not to do it. The one thing that I do, and as you guys have had time off for 2 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, you guys are probably out of school by now. You guys probably aren't going back to school, dealing with online stuff. So one thing to do is brush up on your YouTube facts. As you're watching this video, you guys are getting some information on me. Yes, I am a small YouTuber, but the way that you grow is by taking titles from other videos, putting your own spin. Like I said, put your own spin on the videos and make sure that those videos are unique. You don't want to have crappy YouTube content, because if you have crappy YouTube content, nobody's gonna watch your videos. If you have some sort of like informational video that you want to post out, go ahead and do it. Just make sure that you use certain keywords. Your biggest keywords are going to be that how-to. Like or grow your channel, or grow your KD ratio in seconds, or like, you guys want to make that a whole, you want to make sure that you're using those keywords, because keywords are a thing. It's the key to success. See, keywords, key to success. You're unlocking that success by adding those keywords into your video. Yes, I know that, because as you guys can see, yes, you go through my channel. If you guys take the time, you just swipe down on this video real quick. Keep it playing, because you'll swipe down on it and take a look through my channel. Yes, 4 views, 8 views, 6 views, 12 views, 20 views. Okay, maybe you might hit a video with 50 views, but it's not consistent. The reason it's not consistent is because I don't have keywords. These keywords mean a lot. I mean, yes, I'm taking content from other people, but I'm putting my own spin on it. Nothing on YouTube is like your own, okay? You're gonna want to look and you're gonna see people do content. Copy their content. Not every YouTube idea is new. You guys are unique by putting your own spin on a YouTube video. Put your own spin on it. As you guys heard, my intro, I'm putting my own spin on a video that somebody else made, and I am now making it and giving it to my subscribers and giving it to the people who see this video. Just do your research. If you do your research on YouTube and you use these keywords, keywords are the key to success. Also, your thumbnails and the description of your video. Tags, whatever. You can use tags. I don't mind using tags, but I just feel like, what's the point of tags when you're a small YouTuber? Just guys, grind out with these keywords. Look up, do your research. Like I said, look up videos that you want to make on YouTube. Look up the videos. And then put your own spin on them. That's the way that you do it. You don't even have to have the best content. Like, it doesn't have to be the best content. Just upload, put your own spin on that content. Take the keywords out of their title, put them in your title. Don't copy the title, but put them in your title. Make your own title up, but put the keywords in there. And boom, there you go. You're going viral. You're seeing those views. You're seeing those. You're seeing your content grow, which is amazing. That's what you want. You want to see your channel grow. You want to see your content grow. And the way you do that is keywords. Now, that sums it up all there. You guys just have to be unique. Use your keywords. Do your research before you make a video. And then make your video. It's a whole lot easier. Like, I've sat here and I've contemplated whether quitting YouTube would be good for me or not. And I decided that I should not quit YouTube, because YouTube is something that can help people out. and I love spreading the positivity like I'm spreading right now with you guys. You guys can do this. Don't give up. Don't quit. Don't even think about quitting. Because, look, I'm sitting on 6 years of YouTube and only have 179 subscribers. I never thought I even would have got to 100 subscribers. So to that, there's an accomplishment right there. And I know that I may only be on 6 years of YouTube, but I'm glad that I can create this content for you guys. And for every one of you watching here, I hope you guys have a whole lot better success and you hit that milestone that you want. You guys will gain subscribers quick as long as you do what I just told you. Look, guys, this has been it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Have a blessed day. And please be sure, if you are new, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. You guys will see a whole bunch of amazing content on here, and you guys will not regret it. I post daily. I'm a gaming content creator, and I'm filled with information and news. So, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped every single one of you trying to create a gaming YouTube channel. I have been your host, Wavy Raven, and I hope you all stay wavy, fam.